Hi, welcome to vanlife China. We are Alvin and Lussi. This is our Nissan Serena C26 we just bought yesterday. Today, we are going to show you our one-day campervan build, which is actually a no-build build. Comfortable for 2 persons and functional as a campervan, and also our first night sleeping in the van at Setia Beach, Carita, Indonesia. Indonesia, not China? Yes, last year we decided to go to China and I sold my car in Indonesia. But COVID-19 pandemic made us unable to fly back to China. And until now, there is no clarity when China will reopen the border. So, life must go on, and we want to create beautiful memories as much as we can. So I bought a van in Indonesia, and we start with what we can do. As our dream is exploring China, we will only use this Serena for a short period of time, maybe a year, until we can go to China. So we will not drill any hole or make permanent change in the van. We will just make it comfortable for traveling. We can sleep straight and comfortably. Storage is neat and accessible. Also, we will try to keep it as lightweight as possible to save gasoline consumption. We measured the dimensions in the car and tried to find finished products which fit the width and the length of the car. So we didn't make any custom-made furniture. Our tools are very basic, like screwdriver, scissors, so anybody without any experience can make the conversion like us. For this 3-layer storage rack, we spent 2 hours to assemble and tie it to the seats. That way it will not jump when we drive. We decided to put the lowest boxes directly on the floor so that we will have more room for sleeping area. Done with the storage, we took shower and go to the beach 3 hours drive from Jakarta. Luckily, there is nobody else at the camping ground, just a family from our camping group, so the beach is like our private beach. This is our setting. We use a fly sheet to cover the back part of the car for the shading, where we will cook, relax, and enjoy the wind. To make the foam mat nice to sleep on, we layered our aluminum mats below it. The mat can be easily folded when not in use. We actually bring our nature hike airbed and sleeping bag we usually use for camping as well, just in case. All of our camping gears are stored in the basement, the storage area below the floor, a feature we really love from Nissan Serena. The cargo net above can be used to keep the pillows, window blinds, and other things so the floor area is spacious enough. We don't have sink in the van, but for cleaning hands or feet, we can use the spray bottle from IKEA. We can hang the bottle on the storage rack near the side door, so it is easy to find. The floor area is enough for us to sleep straight. Alvin and I are both 5'5" or 1.68 meter. For dinner, we bought fish, prawns, and fresh vegetable from local market. As we have access to electricity, we use electric hot pot and grill pan for cooking dinner. But we also bring our portable gas stove, which we use at rest area to make coffee. This is how the van looks at night. The fairy lights are battery powered, the fan is USB charged, so it can be used even if we don't have access to electricity. It is nice to wake up and instantly enjoy the view. We enjoyed the beach until it's hot and sunny. We hope you enjoyed the video. And for you who have similar dreams like us to travel in a van, hope this video encouraged you to start as early as possible, because converting to a camper van can be simple and easy, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Start living your dreams and creating beautiful memories that you will remember for the rest of your lives. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.